Hey guys, welcome to Nas Tutorials. My name is Shagufta Naz and I'm here to help you with 10th standard mathematics. So we saw trigonometric ratios of some specific angles, okay, and we made this chart, right? Simple enough. We are going to refer to this for the examples and very much further, okay, so that until we finish this chapter you guys will remember all this by heart. Okay, so let us see the example. So example 6, since we sorted example 5 previously, okay, so we are going to continue the example 6. In triangle ABC, right angled at B, okay, AB is equal to 5 centimeter, so one side is given, okay, then angle ACB is equal to 30 degree. So angle ACB is 30 degree. Determine the lengths of the sides BC and AC. So we need to determine this. So if consider that this 30 degree is not given and only one side is given, can you find the remaining two sides? No, because by using Pythagoras theorem, you two sides are given, you can find any one side, but therefore we have given as one side and one angle. So let us find it now. Okay, now to find the side BC, we have to use a trigonometric ratios where AB is there and BC is there. Okay, see, this is a priority angle. Okay, so this is opposite and this is adjacent and this is hypotenuse, right? Now which trigonometry ratio we can use? Okay, so that we can include these both, that is opposite and adjacent. It is tan, right? So we need to use trigonometric ratio which involves BC and AB. Okay, BC and AB. We need both. Okay, so what we can do? AB divided by BC is equal to tan C. We are using tan. Tan of C is opposite by adjacent, right? So AB divided by BC is equal to tan C. What is AB? AB is 5 centimeter given. Okay, sorry, AB is equal to 5 centimeter and angle ACB is equal to 30 degree. Okay, so AB is 5 divided by BC. What is tan C? Tan is 30 degree because angle C is 30. Okay, so it is tan 30 degree. So what is tan 30 degree, guys? Here we are going to use a chart. Okay, so we need 30 degree and angle tan. So tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. Okay, so this is 1 divided by root 3. So we are going to solve this. So this will become 5 root 3 is equal to, we are going to send it here and send BC on this side. So therefore you can write BC is equal to 5 root 3. Okay, so we found the this. Okay, now to find length of side AC, there are two methods. Okay, first we are going to use sine theta, sine 30. Okay, sine, because what is sine, guys? Sine of an angle is opposite by hypotenuse. Okay, so we can find hypotenuse, right? It is opposite by hypotenuse. Okay, so what is sine? Sine C is equal to AB divided by AC. Okay, so sine 30 is equal to 5 divided by AC. So what is sine 30, guys? Sine 30 is 1 divided by 2. Okay, so this is 1 by 2, which is equal to 5 by AC. So this will get cross multiplied. So AC is equal to 5 into 2, which is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, so AC is equal to 10 centimeter. So you found all the asked sides. Okay, So the given was one side and one angle, you found the remaining. So the second method to find AC is of course by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so this is our triangle. I think you guys better use the previous method, okay, because it is like using trigonometric ratios, right? So you'll get more marks for your knowledge. Okay, so this 5, this is 5 root 3. So by using Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem, what is it? Pythagoras theorem, it is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So what is AB? It is 5 centimeter, 5 square plus BC is 5 root 3 the whole square. So this is 25 plus this is, what is this? This is 5 square into root 3 square. So root 3 square is, this is 25 plus 5 square is 25 into, what is root 3 guys? It is 3. Okay, so this is 25 plus 25 into 3 is 25, 25, 50, 75. Okay, so 25 into 3 is 75. So 75 plus 25 is I think 100. Okay, 100. So AC square is 100. So AC is equal to square root of 100. What is square root of 100? It is 10 centimeter. So you can find by either method. If you want to solve, you can solve both this method or you can solve this one. Okay, so I think this is enough for this one video. Okay, we are going to solve the remaining two, the example 7 and 8 in the next video. Okay, all right, thanks a lot guys, take care, see the next video please.